Have all the parts here to rebuild my steel MS660 clone saw. They all came from HL Supply. I have a highway gasket set, cross, wrist pin bearing, new crank bearings, new worm gear because the crankshaft got hot from the bearing going bad and melted the worm gear, and a new highway piston. And a new crankshaft. The quality of the casting of the new crankshaft looks better than what the old one was. This is the old crank. See the rod there? See a little roughness in the casting there too. Probably tough to tell on camera, but the machine work of this new crankshaft looks better also. Interesting thing is it has part of the steel part number 1122 on it. To get things ready for reassembly, I'm going to press the old crank bearings out.